Welcome to another life-changing adventure, explorers. Today's hero, meet Aryan. He's about to learn a secret that could change his whole life. But this isn't just any story, it's a journey, and you get to follow along. Aryan was smart, funny, but very lazy about his health. He loved junk food, played video games all day, stayed up late, scrolling on his phone, skipped sleep, and never exercised. His mom warned him, "Aryan, your body is your treasure. Take care of it." But Aryan just smiled and said, "I feel fine. What's the big deal?" One day at school, Aryan had to join a relay race. He thought, this will be easy. But as he started running, his legs began to shake, his chest hurt. And then, suddenly he collapsed on the track. Everything went blurry. Then, silence. He woke up in the school infirmary. The doctor looked serious. He said, "Aryan, your body is weak. If you don't change now, you'll regret it later." Just then, Grandpa Ravi walked in. He was the oldest and wisest coach in school. He smiled gently and said, "Let me tell you a story, Aryan. A story that once saved my life." Long ago, Grandpa Ravi said, there was a rich man who had everything. Gold, cars, big houses. But this man never took care of his body. He didn't walk. He ate too much. He slept too little. One day, he became very sick. No doctor could help him. The man begged, "Please, I'll give you all my gold. Just make me healthy." But a wise Buddhist monk told him, "You spent your whole life collecting treasure. But you forgot the real treasure, your health." The man cried. He said softly, "I would trade all my gold for just one healthy day." Aryan listened closely, and something inside him changed. He didn't want to be like that man. He wanted to run, to laugh, to feel strong and full of energy. From that day on, Aryan made a new choice. He started eating fruits and vegetables. He played outside with his friends. He slept early every night. He also practiced mindfulness breathing. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Every day, Aryan was getting stronger. Months later, the school sports event returned. Aryan stood at the starting line. He felt ready. He ran like the wind. He crossed the finish line. Everyone clapped and cheered. Aryan smiled. He whispered, "Thank you, Grandpa Ravi. And thank you, body, for giving me another chance." Aryan changed his life. And now, it's your turn. What is one healthy habit you will start this week? Will you eat better? Sleep more? Move your body? Because your body is your real treasure. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Now, let us learn the word meanings from the story. Relay race, a team running event where each person takes turns running. Infirmary, a quiet room in school where sick students are treated. Treasure, something very special and valuable. Mindfulness, calm, peaceful focus on the present moment. Collapse, to fall down suddenly because of weakness. Regret, feeling sad about a choice you made. If you liked this story, subscribe for more life-changing adventures. You've got this, explorer. Until next time, stay strong, stay smart, and stay kind.